everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to log in SoFi bank account online. So if you want to log into your SoFi bank account online, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, launch open any browser of your choice. Here you can see I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type www.sofi.com, press enter. Here you can see you'll be redirected to the official website of SoFi. You can see several options over here: products, member benefits, resources, about. If you do not have an account yet, you can create an account by simply clicking on open an account button right over here. If you look at the top right corner, you can see two options: login and get started. If you do not have an account, you have to click on get started. But if you already have an account, you have to click on login. Now you'll be redirected to the official login page of SoFi. Here you can see this kind of box. You have to fill up these informations, that is email and password, and simply click on login. First of all, enter your email. Make sure to enter the email that you had used while creating the SoFi account. Now enter your password. Make sure to enter the correct password. If you have forgotten your password, you can simply click on forget password button right over here. Now all you have to do is click on the login option that you can see right over here. After clicking on this login button, you'll be logged into the SoFi bank account online. So that's it for this video. That's how you log in SoFi bank account online. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.